In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Notion template. If you want to save time and start with a ready-made setup instead of building everything from scratch, using templates in Notion is one of the easiest ways to do it. Templates can help you quickly create pages for things like project planning, note-taking, habit tracking, content calendars, and a lot more. The good news is that importing one is very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Notion app or go to your Notion workspace in a web browser. Either option works, so just use whichever version you normally prefer. Once Notion is open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your pages, Teamspaces, and other workspace tools. In that sidebar, click on Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery where you can explore a wide variety of pre-built layouts. These templates are designed to help you organize information more efficiently. And they're especially useful if you are new to Notion or want inspiration for a better page structure. After the template gallery opens, you can start browsing. You'll usually see different categories that group templates by purpose, such as personal organization, work, education, or planning. If you are not exactly sure what you need yet, browsing by category is a good way to discover useful layouts. On the other hand, if you already know what you are looking for, use the search bar to find a specific template more quickly. This can save time and help you narrow down the options right away. Once you find a template you want to use, click Get Template or Apply. Depending on what appears on your screen, this will import the template directly into your workspace or onto your current page. The exact button label may vary slightly depending on the template and the version of Notion you are using. But the result is the same. The template is added so you can start customizing it. After it loads, take a moment to review the structure before making changes. This helps you understand how the template is organized and which sections you may want to keep, edit, or remove. A good template gives you a strong starting point, but it's meant to be personalized so it fits the way you work. And that's it. That's how to import a Notion template quickly and easily, so you can spend less time setting things up and more time actually using your workspace.